Going further from the two videos that I have given you, it is important to remember the following simple rules when you are reading a dasha or a bhukti. The planet, the Mahadasha planet should be either, is it a benefic or a malefic? Jupiter, Venus, Moon alone, Mercury alone are benefics. The malefic planets are Saturn, Mars, Rahu, Ketu, Moon with malefics and Mercury with malefics. Secondly, we have to see the lordship of the planet, Mahadasha planet or the Bhuktinata planet, the lordships. If they own the 8th house or the 12th house, they become malefics and are called functional malefics. Even though they may be benefic, natural benefic planets, they will be considered as functional malefics. The exceptions are the Yoga Karaka planet. What is a Yoga Karaka planet? A single planet owning a Kendra and a Kona bhava or a house is called Yoga Karaka planet. The Kendra sthanas are 1, 4, 7, 10. The Trikona sthanas are 1, 5, 9. If a lord owns both Kendra and Kona house, it is a Yoga Karaka house. Saturn, though malefic, is a Yoga Karaka for Libra and Taurus lagnas. Mars, though malefic, is a Yoga Karaka for Cancer and Leo lagnas. If the dashas of Saturn and Mars are going through for these four lagnas, then even though they are malefic, they will give us benefic results. Venus is a benefic and a Yoga Karaka planet for Capricorn and Aquarius. Therefore, if their dasha is running, there will be double benefit for Capricorn and Aquarius. The rest of the Rashi lagnas do not have a Yoga Karaka. Then we have to see the placement of the Dasha Lord from the Lagna. We have to see the placement of the Dasha Lord from the Lagna. If the Dasha Lord is placed in the 8th or the 12th, the Dasha Bhuktis will see many changes. The placement between the Mahadasha and the Bhukti Dasha. If the Bhukti Lord is placed in the 8th or the 12th from the Mahadasha Lord, the Bhukti Lord is weak, thus the results will be weak. The placement of the Mahadasha Lord in the Navamsha is very, very important from the Rashi Lagna. Considering the Rashi Lagna to be the most important, the placement of the Mahadasha in the Navamsha is very important. If it is Neecha Dasha in the Navamsha, the native will see many changes. If it is an exalted Dasha in the Navamsha, the native will get good results. If the Dasha Lord or the Bhukti Lord is Neecha in the Rashi and is acquiring Neecha Bhang Raj Yog, the native will have good dashas after a fall. If we can remember these simple basic rules, we will be able to understand the Dasha Bhukti easily. Thank you for watching my video. Hope this has been useful to you. Follow me. Signing off, Gayatri. Thank you. Bye-bye.